Good morning, David. How are you today?
Good morning, Anna. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She's interested in applying to this college and has a few questions. Would you mind explaining the process?
Hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'd be happy to help. Please visit my office next week.
It's nice to meet you, David. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I'll do my best to answer your question.
Hi, David. How's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. So, where are you going?
I'm heading to the library. I have a history exam next week, so I need to start studying. Ugh.
Oh, no. That sounds stressful. All right. I'll see you later then. Good luck!
Thanks. See you later.
Repeat after us. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you? I'm doing well. How about you?
Would you mind explaining the process? Would you mind explaining the process?
It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you.
I'd be happy to help. I'd be happy to help.
Hi, how's it going? Hi, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. Pretty good, thanks.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm heading to the library. I'm heading to the library.
Good luck. Good luck.
See you later. See you later.
My name is Anna, and today you will learn how to talk about your weekend, what you are doing today, and your birthday. This lesson is perfect for beginners. We will learn with simple conversations, real-life examples, and practice together. And remember, don't just watch. Speak with me. Hey, quick question. What do you usually do on the weekend?
On Saturdays, I study English, and on Sundays, I go to the gym.
Oh, nice. You're productive.
What about you?
I usually relax on Saturday, and on Sunday I hang out with my friends. Repeat after me. On Saturdays I study English. On Sundays I go to the gym. So, what are you doing today?
Today, I'm watching a movie.
Sounds fun.
What are you doing today? Today, I'm watching a movie.
When is your birthday?
It's May 20th.
Oh, nice. What did you do on your birthday?
My friend came to my place, and we ate cake together.
That sounds lovely. When is your birthday?
It's May 20th.
What did you do on your birthday?
We ate cake.
Great job today. Now you can talk about your weekend, your daily activities, and your birthday in English. But remember, practice is the key. Try to speak every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep learning with me.